Want to track smarter, train harder, and live healthier, all from your wrist? Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. This is the Suunto Vertical 2, built for the brave, crafted for the extreme. With next-level durability, ultra-accurate GPS, and battery life that outlasts your longest missions, this watch is made for those who explore beyond the map. When adventure gets harder, the Vertical 2 gets stronger. What's in the box? Let's see what you get in the box. Inside the box, you'll find the Suunto Vertical 2. Charging cable, and documentation pamphlets. Technical specifications. Meet the Suunto Vertical 2, built with a titanium or stainless steel case, durable sapphire crystal glass, and a rugged silicone band. Its 1.5-inch AMOLED always-on display stays bright even under direct sunlight. The large 49mm adventure-focused case houses an optimized Suunto performance engine and 32 GB of storage for offline maps, routes, and activity data. Packed with heart rate, SpO2, barometer, altimeter, compass, accelerometer, gyroscope, and temperature sensors. It tracks heart rate, blood oxygen, sleep, HRV, recovery, stress, and training readiness. With 100-meter water resistance and military-grade toughness, the battery lasts up to 65 hours in performance GPS mode, 280 hours in tour mode, and 30 days in smartwatch mode. Stay connected with Bluetooth, dual-band GNSS, offline maps, and the Suunto app. Full touchscreen and glove-friendly buttons let you control it easily, while vibration alerts and haptic feedback keep you informed. Suunto's outdoor-optimized OS adds offline maps, navigation, training tools, storm alarms, sunrise and sunset alerts, safe route navigation, breadcrumb tracking, and emergency guidance. Designed for mountaineers, ultra-trail runners, and long-distance explorers, it comes in titanium and stainless steel finishes in rugged outdoor colors. Product features. Built with a titanium or stainless steel case and a durable sapphire crystal glass, paired with a rugged silicone band. The large 49mm adventure-focused case is water-resistant up to 100 meters and engineered with military-grade toughness, ready for extreme outdoor conditions. Stay on top of your well-being with optical heart rate, SpO2, and temperature sensors. It also tracks sleep, HRV, stress, recovery, and training readiness, helping you optimize your performance and health. Track your adventures with precision. With GPS, barometer, altimeter, compass, accelerometer, and gyroscope sensors, it monitors running, hiking, trail running, and other outdoor activities, providing real-time stats, routes, and offline map support. Powered by the optimized Suunto performance engine, it delivers smooth navigation, tracking, and map rendering. Battery lasts up to 65 hours in performance GPS mode, 280 hours in tour mode, and up to 30 days in smartwatch mode. How to pair. To pair your Suunto Vertical 2, start by downloading and installing the Suunto app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Turn on your watch by pressing any button, then make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your smartphone. Open the Suunto app, log in, or create an account if you don't have one, and select Add Device, then choose Suunto Vertical 2. The watch will display a pairing code. Enter this code on your phone or confirm the code if it appears on both devices. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup, including syncing your watch data, setting preferences, and enabling notifications. Once paired, your watch is ready to track activities, receive alerts, download offline maps, and stay fully connected through the Suunto app. How to charge? Attach the magnetic charging head to the back of the watch. Connect the charger to a USB power source. Ensure the watch is properly aligned with the charger. Charging will start automatically. Leave it connected until the battery is full. Disconnect and your watch is ready to go. How to reset your watch. Method 1. Reset via watch settings. Open settings on your watch. Scroll down and tap System. Select Factory Reset or Reset Watch. Confirm your choice when prompted. The watch will restart and return to factory settings. Method 2. Reset using hardware buttons. Turn off the watch. Press and hold the top and bottom buttons simultaneously for about 10 to 15 seconds. Release the buttons when the Amazfit logo appears. The watch will perform a hard reset and restart, restoring factory settings. Resetting will erase all data, including offline maps, settings, and personal information. Make sure your watch is backed up via the Suunto app before proceeding. Safety tips. Avoid extreme temperatures. Use only approved chargers. Keep it dry. Clean gently. Wear comfortably. Update regularly. Product comparison. Talking about the materials and build. The Suunto Vertical 2 comes with a rugged stainless steel or titanium construction built for extreme outdoor conditions, while the Suunto Race 2 offers a lighter, more sport-focused design meant for comfort during training and everyday use. Display and sizes. Both watches feature a bright 1.5-inch AMOLED display with a 49mm case, but the Vertical 2 is slightly thicker and heavier for added durability, while the Race 2 has a slimmer profile that feels lighter on the wrist. Battery and storage. The Suunto Vertical 2 delivers superior endurance with longer battery life across all GPS modes, making it ideal for long adventures, while the Suunto Race 2 still offers strong performance but with slightly shorter run times designed for training and racing efficiency. Pros and cons. The Garmin Fenix 8 Pro is a premium, adventure-focused smartwatch featuring LTE and satellite connectivity, a bright AMOLED or micro-LED display, comprehensive multi-sport tracking, and a built-in LED flashlight. It offers robust battery life, lasting up to 27 days in smartwatch mode. However, it is relatively bulky, commands a high price, and LTE features require a subscription. Overall, it remains an exceptional choice for serious outdoor enthusiasts and professionals seeking reliability and advanced functionality. You've been watching Gadgeto Lab, where tech meets innovation and imagination never stops. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. The future of gadgets is just getting started.